Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about skincare products haul, and these are the products I keep buying, and also grocery haul and a little bit of cooking. Let's get into the video. This is what I'm making today for breakfast. Normally I make samosas twice in a month. Like, you're not going to have like all of them at the same time. I'm going to store the remaining ones for another day. I'm going to use the same oil to fry the sausages and the chips. So for the chips or the fries, I'm going to run them through cold water before I fry them. This is what I got from supermarket: Johnson soaps and oil for the kids, Sufficient toilet cleaner, Menengai bar soap, and these Zuri soaps, guys, they were 25 shillings. Now they are selling them at 100 shillings. Now on this other side, 2 kgs of sugar, 480 shillings, or stress 2 kg, 280 shillings. Then 2 packs of pembe. We got Happy Cow whipping cream. And also these buns from Naivas are so good with the brownies. And then I also got 2 kgs of sausages. These were on offer, 270 shillings. Then I got the sukuma wiki, 2 loaves of bread. Literally each and everything has gone high. The cost of living in Kenya is really hiking. For supper, I'm going to have fish, and I've coated it with breadcrumbs with a little bit of spices. I'm going to link each and everything on the description box for the recipe of my pan-fried fish fillet or fish fingers, but I cut big bits because I wanted it big, like a fillet. And I'm going to fry under low heat until they turn brown. And once they have turned brown on one side, I of course turn the other side, cook again for another 3 minutes, and then get them out from oil and serve them. And this recipe, I have a video where I have shown you all the ingredients used for the fish fillet. In fact, I normally use the same recipe for the fillet and for the fish fingers, which it depends, but these are coated in breadcrumbs and they are so yummy. Especially if you coat them in bread crumbs, they taste better. Like, that's how I feel, they taste better, and also they turn so well than when you coat them on wheat flour. Yeah, this is how they turned out, served with ugali, sukuma wiki, and spinach. Real example of baking gone wrong. So guys, initially when I'm baking, especially using self-raising flour, I normally add baking powder because I don't trust the flour. So on this day, I did not trust my instincts. I did not add the baking powder. You can see the cake did not raise as I expected. This was a spongy cake, but at the top you can see very well it's brown, but not as I expected. It turned out like when you steam a cake, that is how it normally come out. The cake tastes so well. It's a spongy cake but it did not raise as I expected, but it was so yummy. Anyway, these are lessons learned. Next time I'm going to trust my instincts. Recently, I restocked my skincare products and beauty products. I also added a few cream for my skin, and that is what I want to share with you today. Some of them are from Beauty Options and Tbs. From Tbs, I got this shower gel. The famous Hobby Marshmallow smells so heavenly, so sweet. I haven't used it and I am going to try it out. Please don't ask me whether it's original or not. I don't know. From Naivas, I got this Nourishing Cocoa Butter 48 Hours Deep Moisture Serum for dry skin, and I'm going to change this one after I'm done with this one. I'm not going to use this one again. And then I got this serum and the prices of these ones have really gone high. For the Niveas, this is almost 1500 shillings now and this is the second bottle I'm using because I really wanted to know if it's going to clear the stretch marks. As they say, it's supposed to clear within 2 weeks, but it's not the case because now this is the bottle, the second bottle I am using. But I love how it moisturizes the skin and also leaves you that silk like feeling. As you can see, the cream is that silky cream and looks so good, and also the feeling on the skin is just amazing. I love it, and I may be using this one. And I also got this one also from Navas. This one now is so nice. I apply this one on top of after application of the cream, but I don't know if you can use it on its own. Yeah, you can use it on its own. The Nivea Sun was going for 2000 shillings, and then I got this Nivea Sun Protect. I love this shine control. Nivea Sun feels so good on the skin, and the problem, it doesn't last because it's so little, but the SPF protection is up to 50%, which I think is like 90% of sun protection, and it's UVA UVB high, that is almost to 90% spectrum protection, and I love it. And then the next one is this Nivea Perfect and Matte Effect Oil Control. These are face wash which I love so much for my skin, and this is the second bottle I'm using together with this Perfect and Matte Effect Oil Control cream. And this cream is also nice. I use it on my T-zone because I have combination skin type which tends to appear oily on the T-zone, so this is so helpful for my skin because of the mattifying complex, and it has a lemon. But this one, now if you use this one because of the lemon, you have to use sunscreen because of the lemon. But I love how it feels and my skin love it. And this is so little, and the cost of these ones have gone so high. So I got the first one for 550 shillings, but now it's almost to 800 shillings, and you can see it's 50 ml. This is how things are hiking. Yeah, but this is so nice, the combo. When you use these two, the effect is so incredible, and I would recommend these two, especially if you have oily skin. And then I also got this Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Day Cream, and this day cream, I haven't used it, I'm not going to lie to you, but I've used the other one, the night cream, which is so nice. I love this one because it has SPF 15, UVA to protect your skin against dark marks and premature skin aging. Guys, I haven't used this one, but I'm going to use it once I'm done with some of the other lotions. But I like the feedback I get from people. That's why I had to try it. But I've tried the other blue one for the night cream, which I loved so much, but then I'm not using it again. That's why I want to try this one out. And then I also got my favorite daily simple moisturizer. I love the simple moisturizer, and this has been my day-to-day oil face cream, I mean, not oil. And guys, like, if you really like, you can see, I love how the consistency of this oil, it looks thick, but once you apply on the skin, it doesn't feel greasy. It feels so soft and moisturized, and it's 12 hours moisture, and it's light on the skin, even though it's no longer the 800 shillings or 900 shillings we used to buy this one. It hiked so fast from 800 to 1000. Now it's 1500 shillings, but I love this cream. This one I think is 800 shillings, but I love this one because of the quantity. Hata nikibuy 1500 shillings, when you weigh the cost, this one just comes at the top because of the quantity. That's why I really recommend this simple for beginners and also for everyone. I also got this simple soothing facial toner, and I love this one because of the niacinamide. As usual, I use this one after I cleanse my face. So nice, and also kind to skin. I think this one is for all skin types, and the cost of this one is 1200 shillings, and this is so nice, so effective. I also recommend this simple soothing facial toner. I got the Rexona main because I felt like it smells so nice, and I have nothing much to talk about. These are normal deodorants, and I have my favorite cotton pads, makeup remover, and these pads, they are so soft on the skin and I love them. And also I got a few beauty products from Beauty Options. I got this Ebony color compact powder, and that was 1195 shillings. I love the outcome once you apply this one as your powder after you apply the foundation. I'm yet to try the foundation because I have other foundations and I don't want them to expire before I use. The next product I got is this lifter gloss from Maybelline, and I love this one, and the color is nice. This is Rust number 16, and this is chocolate like with glitters, and it has a brown undertone. It looks so good on the lips, so soft and smooth. But this one is also so nice for those people who have darker shade. It complements so well. And let me show you how it looks. The glitters are amazing. Even when you apply it on the lips, it's not drying and it feels so soft, and that is how it looks. So after I got the compact powder, they gifted me this MAC lip color. I love this one, so nice, and it's pink, one of my favorite colors. By now, guys, you know I love pink because I feel like when I apply pink lippies, they look so nice on me. This is how this one looks. So I'm going to try also this one. These are floral perfume, which I'm going to try out from them again. And lastly, I got this lip color like this one, you have to peel it off once you apply it on your lips. But I thought it's going to have pink, like when you use this one it's going to leave your lips pink. Okay, but it doesn't. The color it gives is not, it's maroon, sorry. It's not maroon, but it looks like maroon, orange. I didn't like it. It's different from what it's supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be pink, not that reddish color. And finally, these are lip gloss. I love this one also. This one, once you apply it, it's supposed to change the color. Wow. So it changes to pink. It did not change to the right color. It was supposed to change to this pinkish color, but then it changed to extremely hot pink, and it doesn't look so nice on my lips. So guys, let me know what's your favorite skincare product or what you're using currently, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.